So how to install GoTyme Bank. So here's the app, and then you can just tap on it to get it, to download it. Banking made beautiful. Say hello to a simple, beautiful, and rewarding banking experience. All you need is a Philippine mobile number, home address, and valid ID. So this is a Philippine bank. It's, if you travel to Philippines, living in Philippines, that's where you can just get it. And you can, just shop, use, get cashbacks, get rewards, bonuses, send money to anyone. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just open it up, and here you 3 transfers to other banks per week. I don't know what that means, and then you need to be Filipino citizen. If you're not, you can't open an account. If you're then you can't do that. So only if you're a Filipino citizen, but not a kind of green card holder, not a US citizen, then you can just go here and then just participate and open an account, and you will need a phone number, and then just that's how you get started.